Hello everybody, my wife's going to show you how I get the thing that comes down from the bank right here.
Because he's too
How
short.
I get it. A little round piece thing, you know, that you send up that way.
Because
Put your money in or your check in or whatever and stuff at the bank.
he's too short.
I'm going to show you how I do that. You'll be surprised. Watch this. On the Ghosts and Family Adventures reality show, you never know what you're going to come up. Whatever, you never know what's going to what you're going to come across and find on here. Might make you laugh. Who knows? And that's part of our show too. We want to make you laugh. You know what I mean? Especially on a day like this. You know what I mean?
We're just not getting out of
Thank
bed.
you. You guys have a great day.
You too, ma'am. Thank you. Watch it. I take the Red Beauty out because my other cars get brakes, but
Come on, shorty.
there we go. Let's see this.
Get ahead of him.
There you go. There you go. I'll put it back up. Watch it. Just lean on the door a little bit. Lean back. That's how you do it. That's how the bulldozer does it.
Sorry.
Like, share, subscribe our show, our videos. Thanks. The Ghosts and Family Adventures reality show.